First of all, thanks for watching this video. Today we are going to see a review on Mat 1 side hustles. Here are 20 different sources that will pay you from the comfort of your computer, regardless of experience or skills. Start on your new side hustle today. This is perfect for you if you need a way to cover living expenses, want a way to work around your current busy schedule, are a college student looking to side hustle while you study, are a stay at home parent needing to bring more into the household, want extra revenue to leverage into other business opportunities. Only $17. Buy now. 30 days money back guarantee. If you are interested in buying the product, then check out the description box. Plus, you will get bonuses. Introducing Side Hustle Plans. 12 step-by-step blueprints complete with 20 different sources to help you earn money from the comfort of your laptop. Start your new side hustle income with just 3 simple steps. First, choose one of the easy step-by-step blueprints included in your membership. Second, follow the instructions I have laid out for you. Third, perform the steps and get paid. Here is what included when you sign up today. As I said earlier, whether you need to pay bills or just want to bring in some extra monthly revenue, this step-by-step blueprints can help you do just that. Here's a look inside the blueprints. First, legit paid surveys. There are many paid survey sites online, and to be honest, most are completely useless. Worse, some can actually scam you and put you in a worse position, or you never get paid. But I've actually done the research for you and found two different sources that you can learn how to fill in simple questionnaires or give your opinion and get paid. Trustworthy work from home job FB groups. If there is one thing that's annoying, it's joining FB groups that are nothing but spam, farms, or biz of heavens masquerading as work from home opportunities. So, what can you do since that's the case? Thankfully, I have sorted through tons of these groups, filtered the good from the bad, and found two FB groups that I'd recommend that are completely legitimate. This way, you can fulfill your work from home is the dream during the current crisis. Reddit income cash flow opportunity. Think Reddit is just another site where gamers and nerds hang out. Think again. With so many subreddits out there, you'll find that there are people passionate about various subjects sitting right inside of Reddit's massive site. Subjects that you can monetize as the perfect side hustle. But with over thousands of subreddits to filter through, it would take you all day to find ones that you can make an income from. Not to mention, if you approach it wrong, you'll end up shadow banned from Reddit. Thankfully, I found 5 subreddits that you can start working with and get paid in record time. I'll show you how it all works inside. Don't miss out on this one. Micro tasks money. Every day there are millions of people looking for help with simple tasks they are willing to pay someone else to do for them. As a matter of fact, some, if not a lot of these tasks are so simple that it takes hardly no time at all to fulfill them. In the members area, I'll share 3 recommended sources that you can tap into quickly to start earning money ASAP. If you are interested in buying the product, then check out the description box. Plus, you will get bonuses.